Hello, fans. I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and we're going to take a look at a really big fan. Specifically, it is a 220 millimeter Cool Lance, and the model number is Fan 22030HBK, and that's 220 millimeters by 30 millimeters. Unfortunately, there does seem to be a part missing from this. I got this through Performance PCs. I don't know if that's supposed to be missing or if it got lost in transit or what happened to it, but it's not there. Um, so let's take a closer look. It does not come with packaging. It just came with this big bag, so I assume that was a bulk order that they made to Cool Lance, which doesn't even produce these fans anymore. They're more focused on custom loops for water cooling. And this is a 3-pin connector, no lights. So we'll just go ahead and check out the sound profile of this fan. And it does not come with any screws or anything like that, unfortunately. Interesting. So the Cool Lance fan 22030HBK, which is 220 by 30 millimeters. And there's no information about certifications. Maybe that's because of the missing part on the hub. I'm going to be contacting Performance PCs because I do have some other fans that I'm returning, so I'm hoping they can find the missing part and send that to me. Anyways, so this is made in China. Again, 220 by 30 millimeters, 50,000 hours of life. No indications of a warranty because they don't even produce it anymore. You can still find it online, though. 250 grams, 11 blades. It has two different mounting hole distances of 168 and 174 millimeters. Maximum RPMs 800. And so you get to see, if you compare this to the Thermaltake and the two Sigmatechs, which also have the same RPMs, you can see how differences in a fan's design can significantly influence airflow and static pressure. Even when the RPMs are the same, the thickness is the same. Because we look at the Thermaltake and the Coolants, and the Thermaltake kicks its butt. Of course, it is rather loud, but I really don't feel that this fan is 34.7 decibels. I feel like that's an overstatement. I think that maybe this is a little bit off too, but we're looking at 41 CFMs of airflow and 0.86 millimeters of water of static pressure, 34.7 decibels supposedly, and 50 centimeter long cable, no daisy chaining or sleeving, 3-pin DC connector. It's got a dual ball bearing, which may have been the reason for the odd high-pitched noise. 12 volts, 4.08 watts, 0.34 amps. No indicators of rotation and flow, but it turns in a clockwise direction, and it didn't come with anything else. Thank you to Grindler, a.k.a. Lawrence Abrams, who is the owner of Bleeping Computer, for consenting to allow me to put my results in text form on Bleeping Computer's forums, as well as linking to my videos. Please visit Bleeping Computer, support them, make use of them. They're a valuable resource that's been around for 20 years, and they deserve support. They have lots of resources. You can learn about cybersecurity from them. You can get help with malware on your computer. You can get help with all kinds of stuff. They have a range of volunteers who help people who come there for advice, and they're very knowledgeable people for the most part, and some of them are very, very, very helpful. Old Sod has been very helpful to me over the years that I have asked for input on things. And so thank you to Bleeping Computer. Thank you to the volunteers on Bleeping Computer. Also, thank you to my peers on other tech forums who are so kind as to provide me with input, suggestions, feedback, and so on. I really appreciate it, but my greatest thanks goes out to Bleeping Computer because you are my text home, I guess you could say. All right. Thanks also to all my viewers and subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.